Friends, in this video, I will tell you about the Kali Linux, a very important cybersecurity tool. Kali Linux is a Debian-derived Linux distribution and a member of Unix OS family, maintained and funded by Offensive Security Limited. Primarily designed for penetration testing and digital forensics, it is developed by Matti Aharoni and Devon Kians of Offensive Security, and a rewrite of Backtrack. Knoppix, an ancestor of Kali Linux, was the first ever bootable live Linux operating system which is still in existence. Knoppix project was then forked into Whopix and then reforked into Wux. Wux was rebranded and streamlined into Backtrack, the predecessor of Kali Linux. Backtrack had a long reign of almost 7 years as the pen testers and hackers' choice. Backtrack is a customized native environment dedicated to hacking. As of 2011, it was used by more than 4 million amateur and professional security researchers. The latest version, Backtrack 5, is built on Ubuntu, Lucid, and contains some 350 penetration testing tools. However, as for the March 2013, the venerated distro was decommissioned and replaced by Kali Linux. The main issue with the Backtrack 5, that is version 5, was that it was a headache for dependencies. Too many pen testing tools embedded within the Backtrack all struggled to coexist within the dependencies. The solution was to rebuild the distro bottom up and by making Kali Debian based. Kali Linux has 300 tools which automatically work within the Kali ecosphere. Kali has been created with a clean tile system using tile system hierarchy standard and offers vast plug and play wireless support. The main attraction was the ARM support provided by Kali Linux. Incidentally, you can also create your own .iso file with the Kali through the Debian Live Build feature. Kali Linux is an open source, has monolithic type kernel available in 32-bit and 64-bit images for use on host based on the x86 instruction set. Also available as an image for ARM architecture for use on Raspberry Pi and Samsung's ARM Chromebook. Then its newest version, that is Kali Linux 1.0.9, was released on the 25th August 2014. Features of Kali Linux include has more than 300 penetration testing tools. Its multilingual support is very good and it is completely customizable, free and always will be. Vast wireless device support and compatible with USB. GPG signed packages and repositories are available. ARM support. Kali Linux has ARM repositories integrated with mainline distribution. Kali Linux is heavily used for penetration testing. So you need to understand what do you mean by penetration testing? The process of evaluating systems, applications and protocols with the intent of identifying vulnerabilities, usually from the perspective of an unprivileged or anonymous user to determine potential real-world impacts. Or in other words, we try to break into stuff before the bad boys do. Flexibility of Kali Linux. Kali Linux can run natively when installed on a computer's hard disk, or can be booted from a live CD or a live USB, or it can run within a virtual machine. Available for ARM devices like Samsung Chromebook, Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1, Raspberry Pi, Qbox and a lot more. Kali Linux can also be installed within a Chrome environment on any Android device. Kali Linux penetration testing programs. Kali Linux is pre-installed with numerous penetration testing programs. Nmap, a port scanner. Reshark, a packet analyzer. Wireshark, a packet analyzer. John the Ripper, a password cracker. AirCrackNG, a software suite for penetration testing wireless LANs. ICAT, a hacking tool. So you need to understand this also, differences between Kali Linux and Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a general, Kali Linux is a specialized distribution, whereas Ubuntu is a general desktop and server distribution. Ubuntu is designed to satisfy general desktop and server requirements and also targeted in some smart TVs. Whereas Kali Linux is primarily designed for the purpose like penetration testing and digital forensics. Ubuntu is developed by Canonical Limited and released back. Developed by Offensive Security Limited and released on 13th March 2013. So, information security certifications. Offensive Security Limited provides courses and certification related to Kali Linux, and these certifications are namely OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSWP, Offensive Security Wireless Professional, OSCE, Offensive Security Certified Expert, OSEE, Offensive Security Exploitation Expert, OSWE, Offensive Security Web Expert. Developer's point of view, Matti Aharoni is a founder and the co-developer of Kali Linux project, and as well as he is a CEO of Offensive Security. Is to him, it is critical to take the view of the attacker to see if your defenses are working. This was the main idea behind the development of Kali Linux. So you can refer these links to get the more details, courses, knowledge about the Kali Linux. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it knowledgeable. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.